Good morning, class. Today we will start our new chapter, Women Change the World. So, this is very interesting chapter for you. In this chapter, particularly when we had discussed last chapter, Growing Boys and Girls. So, where we have seen about the bringing up of boys and girls in society sometimes take differently. So, here the focus is on the education and bringing up of the girls and boys, not now but from ancient period type of the time of the country, like how the girls or how the women were, you can say, bringing up. So, like this is the introduction, and after the introduction, this beautiful picture you can do in your activity, that is Women Change the World, the poster when it is given to paint to you, so that you can use this. Now proceed to the segment, to the homework. We see that who does the work. Like they remember in the previous chapter we had learned, or we read the comic, and there we saw some different kind of tasks are done by the men and women in the society. So here some question is for you, like a farmer you have to draw here, like who can be the farmer, a factory worker, who can be the factory worker, a nurse, who can be the nurse. So means the male or female, means these pictures you have to draw. Here the you can say scientist, another pilot, and the teacher. So in these columns you will write, you will draw the images of men or women. So this is your activity will do, you do. Then after we proceed, see the images your class drew, filling in the table below, add up the number of male and female. So suppose this can be done when you people are making the picture. We can take out the idea about the teacher, male image, female, and farmer, or it means whatever the category is given, how many children made the images. Suppose this is given on the next page, like farmer, you can see generally the image of farmer is drawn by the children, because that is more important. Always we have seen in our life farmer is a man, but here you see that in some state women are equally working in the field, so they can be the farmer. And generally the image of teacher is female teacher, not the male teacher. So male teachers number of that, so this activity can be discussed. Now, to proceed the chapter, we will see for fewer opportunities and rigid expectation. Here we will discuss whatever we have done through the activity. So, lots of children in Rosie ma'am class drew the women nurse and men as army officers, and the reason they did this is because they feel that outside the home too, women are good at only certain job. For example, many people believe that the women make better nurses because they are more patient and gentle. Why all the you can say children drew the image of nurses as a female? Because it is said, because naturally a phenomena that the nurses are the, you can say, patient means बड़ा control रहता है, बहुत gentle होती हैं, बहुत मतलब softly they spoken, taking care of, like this is one of the you can say nature with the nurses. And this is linked to women roles within the family. Similarly, it is believed that science requires a technical mind, and the girls and women are not capable for dealing with technical things. So this is again another example. That's why the boys, or it is our mentality or stereotype, we can say, that the picture of scientist drew by the children of man is scientist. So, because of many people believe in these stereotype, remember last year we have read about stereotype, when we fix a person particular image, that is called stereotype. मतलब ये काम इसी का ही है, इसके अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता सोसाइटी में, तो हम उसको stereotype कहते हैं. So many girls do not get the same support that the boys do the study and train, because doctor and engineers in most of the family, once girls finishes school, they are encouraged to by their family to see the marriage as their main aim of life. Means it is happen in our Indian society like कि वो एक बार में ऐसा ही सोच लेते हैं कि ऐसा ही होता है कि लड़कियों को पढ़ा लिखा के क्या करना है, मैरिज करना है. बट स्टीरियोटाइप इज ब्रेकिंग. दिस एग्जाम्पल कैन बी सीन हेयर. Stereotype is breaking. The story of Lakshmi, she is very belong to very poor class family, and she is good at studies. Even she helped her parents in domestic chores and other kind of work, and later on she, after completing the study, she becomes railway driver. So this image, or this is not only one, this is the picture of very old period of time, means back to 10-20 years. तो आज तो क्या है, picture is changes. क्या मतलब, women can be found in every kind of you can say field. So this we can see now. It is important to understand that we live in the society in which all the children faces pressures from the world around them. Sometimes these come in the form of demand from adults. At the other times they can just be because of unfair teasings by our own friends, and boys are pressurized to think about getting job that will pay a good salary, and they are also teased and bullied if they do not behave like other ways. And you may remember that in your class 6 you read about the boys an early age encouraged not to cry in front of the others. So means here we have seen like it's the bringing up of the boys and girls in the family, and it depends that what they would be in future. If you are bringing up a boy or a girl equally, definitely they can in future choose same kind of profession. So this is the stories given before you. Like Ziavar was happy with the result of 10th class board, and then his marks in science and maths were not high. He had done well in his favorite subject, history and language. When his parents saw his reports card, however, they did not look pleased at. मतलब सिंपल सी कहानी है, जियावर जो है वो ह्यूमैनिटीज़ में इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा रखता है, और उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो साइंस और मैथ्स में अच्छा नहीं है, बट पेरेंट्स आर डिमांडिंग कि उसके नंबर जो है जैसे भी हैं उसे प्रेफर करना चाहिए मैथ्स और साइंस, बिकॉज कंप्यूटर्स, क्योंकि इसमें ही अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अच्छी हैं, और मतलब इसका ही आजकल ट्रेंड है, तो ये ह्यूमैनिटीज़ के सब्जेक्ट लेकर क्या करेगा. सो दिस वॉज पर्टिकुलरली हैज़ बीन डिस्कस्ड हेयर इन दिस वीडियो. Now, learning change. We come to that particular segment, learning change. So, learning change here, we have two stories about. One is of that is Ramabai Pandita, and another the references of Bengal story, that is of Roshandri Devi, and another is that Rokia Shekhawat. So three stories we have here, and these particular stories tell us all about the changes, not now at time, but you can say in 19th century such changes were coming in the society. So in this video, if I tell the story all of these three women will be difficult, because detailed we will discuss and they're very much interesting. So in another video we will discuss them. So till here, because in 2-3 videos the chapter will be completed, so the three stories we will cover them tomorrow. So till here you read this chapter so that you can understand the main thing. Tomorrow we'll discuss the story. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.